Here are 7 reasons why you struggle with difficulty relaxing when you have high functioning anxiety. Reason number 1 is you think that if you're not busy or if you're not always productive, then that means you're lazy. Reason 2 is avoidance. You're trying to avoid the overthinking, the negative thoughts, and the difficult emotions that come up when you stop or slow down. Reason number 3 is the fear of failure. You think that if I stop or if I slow down, then things are going to fall apart. I'm not going to be successful. Things are going to go wrong. Reason number 4 is the fear of judgment from others. You fear that you will be judged or criticized if you're not always busy or if you're not doing things or staying productive. Reason 5 is you have high expectations for yourself, bordering on the edge of perfectionism. So you feel like you always need to be perfect and you always need to be doing more. Reason number 6, which can be underlying all of these previous reasons, is that your worth is tied to how busy you are, or how productive you are, or how much you're doing. And reason number 7 is societal expectations such as hustle culture and the idea that the people who are the busiest or who are doing the most are the most successful.